Hey, how's it going, y'all? So today I have a very interesting shoot. I'm going to be shooting a interview, documentary style, talking head video for a client. I'm going to be picking up some mics that I rented out from my friend at Right Arm Studios. I'm going to pick that up and go pick up some C-stands from him because I definitely need some C-stands for this project. So let's get going. Hey, we got JoJo here today. What's up, man? This is Right Arm Studios. Yeah, be sure to check them out and put a link down below if you're in the Fort Lauderdale, Florida, South Florida area. Be sure to check them out. So JoJo left the C-stand at his other studio next door. We see him yet?
Of course.
We have D the Stallion here. We got Sneaker the photographer. Just picking up a C-stand in here.
That did it on the base.
Check her out on Instagram.
D_the Stallion and on TikTok. But don't you forget it. D_the Stallion.
The D_the Stallion. All right, thank y'all. Stan. I have a YouTube channel, yeah. Yeah, no, YouTube. Yeah, no, come. Yeah, I just said I'm Haitian.
D Stallion fam.
She's on WhatsApp too.
No, man, on WhatsApp.
No Sneakers on WhatsApp.
Yeah. All right. So I will check you guys out. All right. What's your Instagram?
What's good? You can follow me at One Sneaker Box with 2 X's on the box.
So you got that One Sneaker Box?
One Sneaker Box with 2 X's on the box.
All right. Appreciate it, man.
All right, bro.
All right, you too. I've said this before plenty of times. It's like in this creative world, you might be shooting a podcast, doing a photo shoot, and it feels very lonely. Kind of feels like you're doing it on your own because it's like you're the one who's filming the YouTube video, you're the one recording the podcast, and you're the one uploading it. Then you're reading comments from people who are probably not located in your area. So it feels like you're just by yourself. But it's not. That's not true. I just walked into a studio filled with creators, filled with creative people that are just in my city, in my town, and I would not have known that if I didn't get up and get out. So I guess the solution to like feeling loneliness in the creative world is actually get up, get out, and do something, because you might find somebody near you, closer than you think, who aligns with you creatively. All right, but let's go to the shoot and we'll continue where we left off. Hey y'all, so the video that I'm going to be filming is a bit of a sensitive topic. I don't want to have to whip out my camera like, hey, can I vlog here and talk, in front of a camera? Like, nah, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to show y'all my whole setup here. I'm going to be filming with a Sony a7C as a B cam, and as an A cam, I'll be using this camera, the Sony a7 IV. Don't want to bore y'all with that. I just want to let y'all know what I'll be doing. Also, after this, I'm going to Miami, so we'll talk about that in a little bit. Yeah, see y'all soon.
Editing, because you always have this other shot to cut to, it can help cover up.
So I got here pretty early. Just going to take stock of what I have as far as equipment goes and finish listening to Tom Buck's podcast. It's a pretty dope episode. Then when it gets closer to the time, I'm going to try to get everything set up, put it in my Blue Wagon, and get started to record the video. All right, I'll see y'all in a little bit. I'm going to be helping out a buddy of mine, Marvel Bishop. Marvel's going to be using some of my cameras for a podcast. It's going to be pretty dope. I think he's going to be utilizing a mic or two. We shall see. All right, so we're in. I think pushing it multiple times actually actuates the switches and the levers in the mechanism to enable the elevator to come at an expedient rate. I read that on Reddit, so it has to be real. What's going on, y'all? Got my guy Marvel here. Helping Marvel out, set up his podcast, the Really Cool Gents podcast. You can check it out everywhere you listen to podcasts. They're on YouTube. Like, subscribe. So tell us what we're going to be doing today.
So we have a special series called the Elevated Gen series, where we talk to men in like particular crafts. Each guest are going to be talking about a topic on how men can elevate mentally, spiritually, intellectually, sexually, financially. So that is a special series that, you know, with this particular company that we're trying to, you know, get sponsored, will exclusively be on there. So it will be on YouTube. It'll probably be on YouTube for our third season, like 2 or 3 days after it's released on the said platform. Can't tell you exactly where it's gonna be at, but yeah, man.
Okay.
That's pretty much it.
Everything.
A lot of shit.
Yeah. All right, guys, y'all stay tuned. Just chilling out here with Cam here. Check him out on Instagram.
Grant20 or Graphite Monkey, either or.
Tell us one of your favorite photography moments.
One of my favorite photography moments, doing my son's newborn pictures.
Yeah.
That was really fun. I just got my camera that day. The pictures came out so nice.
What, an A7?
A7 III, that's why I just got my A7 III.
Okay. Such an awesome day. Creatively filled day. About to wrap it up. Got to grab some stuff for Alex before I head home. Other than that, today's been fan-diddly-tastic. Just around lots of creative people. All right, so it's time to get going. I'll catch y'all later. If y'all enjoyed the vlog, enjoyed watching me around, you know, driving around, creating and connecting with people, leave a comment down below. Like, subscribe, share it with somebody. Thanks for watching.